Black soldiers began to join the Army because of the passing of the Emancipation Proclamation by President Abraham Lincoln. Slaves living in the South heard about the Emancipation Proclamation and flocked to the Army to fight for their freedom. The war is officially about slavery at this point.
Civil War black soldiers were eager to enlist in the Union Army. They were anxious to join their fight against slavery, and they believed that military service would allow them to prove their right to equality.
Because of prejudice against them, black units were not used in combat as extensively as they might have been.
The chance is now given you to end in a day the bandage of centuries and to rise in one bound from social degradation to the place of common equality with all other varieties of men. By Frederick Douglass. What he was trying to say is that maybe this was the time to now to settle an obstacle that would return equality of all mankind.
We did not encounter a lot of difficulties in doing our research. The website Ms. House provided for us was very educational and had a lot of facts that helped us out a lot. So it was fairly easy and very interesting.
When we were doing our research at school, many websites we tried to use were blocked. Therefore, it was much more difficult for us to get reliable information than it would have been for us to do at home.
We did have difficulties at first, but we quickly adapted to it with the assistance of our teammates and the teacher. So we we got the use of working with it. So we these problems that we encountered, we quickly fixed them and adapted to them.
I thought that the telegram was interesting. It gave us a deeper insight into what Lincoln was thinking during this time period and allowed us to see and understand more about his presidency.